Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we are going to make these cute little lotion cover holders. These are fun and cute and very quick. Perfect for your Easter baskets, stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, or just another little cute item to have in your store. So these are the supplies that you'll need. I just have 2 pieces of scraps. This is a 4x4 friendly project. For the eyelet version, I do have the snap tab version. I just haven't gotten to it yet. I mean, it's ready. I just need to make it. So anyways, that's coming probably in the next day or 2. So but that will be for 5x7 hoops. So grab your scraps. I'm going to line it, so I'm using Ollie Fun that I find at Hobby Lobby. It keeps the bulk down. 2 steps on the machine. First step is a placement. Let's go run that right now. Okay, so we ran the placement step for this, and I'm going to line it so it looks nice on the inside. You don't have to line it, but it's an option. If you don't line it, you'll have to remove your stabilizer and clean up the area. I like the line version. So what you want to do is just turn your hoop over to the back, place your lining fabric down, and then grab your vinyl piece. And what you want to do with this is you want to line it up just below this line right here, because it's going to stitch all the way around to secure everything just nice and neat. So in order for you to have a pocket, don't put it up there, put it down here, just below that line. So when you have your lining on, it's hard to see, but you guys can figure it out. I didn't put any placements there because everybody is different when it comes to their pockets, right? So some people want it high pocket, some might want it lower. It's up to you. But go ahead and put that where you want your pocket to be. Just make sure it's below that line. That looks good to me. And just tape it, because you know you gotta flip it over. You want it to stay. So we use tape. And I think, yep, okay. So now on the front, just place your vinyl over the entire design. Run that last step. That's it. Done. So let's do that now. Okay, so it's all done. There's the front and here's the back. See how it went up? And we have a pocket here. So now all you need to do is just remove from your hoop, clean up your stabilizer and your tape. I always tape extra because I don't want it falling off. And see how the pocket's all nice and lined? It looks nice when you line it. And it's just, you can use some thin vinyl. I just use Ollie Fun because it holds up good and it reduces the bulk quite a bit. But you can use extra vinyl if you want. And there you can do whatever you want. This is what I do. So just trim around your project. And add an eyelet. Super quick, and it's just cute. I like making these little cute little carrier things for some of my things that I like to buy. Always looking for gift ideas. So I put my eyelet in there. Where's the back of my eyelet? Squish it. Put my ball chain on. You can use a key ring, whatever you want. I just like to use those little ball chains. And done. Grab your lotion and put it in there. Cute, quick, and easy. They only just take a couple of minutes, literally just a couple of minutes. Anyways. Thanks for watching.